Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to cutepolish. In today's episode, Hannah will be showing you how to create these stunning geode nails. So let's get into it.
Hi, it's Hannah. This design is so much fun and so easy. So after applying a base coat, apply an off-white polish for the base color. Take a light mint green polish and brush and create sort of a messy half loop at the tip of the nail. Then use a dark green polish to do the same thing, but outlining the mint green polish. Now continue the outlining with an aqua polish. Since we're on the subject of stones and crystals, if you have any favorites, let us know what they are in the comments. I really love amethyst and rose quartz. For the next layer, I'll be using a white polish. You can also use a bunch of different colors for this design. Pink, purple, and blue are all great. Now repeat all of the previous colors, going from the lightest to the darkest. Use a metallic gold polish to fill in at the center of the geode and also as the last outline. Finally, apply a glossy top coat to help protect your design and add a beautiful shine. So that's it for this tutorial. If you'd like to see more videos on cutepolish, click these boxes and click this circle here to subscribe to cutepolish for a new video every week. And if you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, click this circle here. Thanks for watching!